My name is Matina Gkioulidou. I'm originally from Greece. That's where I was born. I was born and raised in Thessaloniki. And something that not too many people know about me is that I can tango. I am currently the Deputy Director for the evolution of what we call pickup ions. We are just trying to understand how particles get accelerated throughout heliosphere, all the way to the boundaries of our solar system and how they interact with the interstellar medium. Pickup ions, together with the magnetic field that our sun has, they create this cocoon around our solar system, or shield. That shield protects us from the Wild West that is the interstellar space. And that's important, of course, for habitability, because for life to evolve doesn't only need water, but it also needs to be safe. I'm actually currently also the lead for an instrument that is going to be on the next big heliophysics mission called Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, short for IMAP. My background has not been heliospheric physics, it has been magnetospheric physics, which is in a way very similar. I'm just eager to start working with all these amazing people and figure stuff out.